Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining another edition of Hyper University. My name is Susie, and today's training will be using AdBuilder to your advantage. As a reminder, we host Hyper University trainings every Wednesday at 11 a.m., and we offer a different curriculum every week. Our trainings generally take anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes, and we'll email a copy of the reviewed content to all attendees following each session. We also encourage our retailers to recommend any curriculum you'd like to see in the future. We're always open to ideas and will implement accordingly, so please let us know. I would now like to introduce our trainer, Jose, who will begin the session. Take it away, Jose.
Thank you, Susie. Good morning, everyone. This is Jose, and today I will be guiding you in using AdBuilder to your advantage. Why this training? AdBuilder is a marketing resource tool for Boost Mobile retail partners containing customizable, pre-approved advertising assets. Ads can be customized to drive traffic to your individual store location and are continuously being added so you have the most up-to-date and targeted marketing materials to expand your business. With AdBuilder, you can create, build, or print and share different artworks that are available to every Boost mobile store that is active. Now, how to access it. In order to access AdBuilder, you simply go to boostadbuilder.com. You can also access the website through Hyperlink's homepage where we have the Boost tools. There's a quick link for AdBuilder. If you do not have an account on AdBuilder yet, you simply click on register. You fill out the registration form that pops up, and you will get an email once approved. It's very easy, and everyone has free access to AdBuilder, so get it going today. Some examples of items you will find in AdBuilder include flyers, direct mailers, line spinners, banners, business cards, radio scripts, and even TV scripts. Customizable coupons are available on select creative pieces, and you can also tag one or multiple stores at every time. Almost every asset is available in both English and Spanish. Some of the benefits of using AdBuilder is that you can create a professional looking creative pieces fast. You can find the most up-to-date and targeted marketing materials to expand your business, and the pieces are already approved for use by Boost Mobile. Also, you can help keep your door at the forefront of local consumers' mind using pre-approved social media posts to promote your store. Now let's take it to the AdBuilder website where I will guide you on how to build an ad. This is how the homepage of the AdBuilder looks once you log in. In the center, you will see that we have different features such as the top social media, the newest materials, dealer essential. These work as shortcuts where you can access these great assets. Also, the what's hot section will show you what assets are trending and what are the most popular ones at the time. Now let's start creating an ad. In order to start, we're going to click on the top toolbar where it says Build an Ad/Print on Demand. Once the page loads and open up, you will be able to see everything that is available for you to use. In the center part, you'll be seeing what featured the most recent promos and the ones that are being used the most, as well as some filters such as the featured promo, top social media, newest materials, and dealer essentials. If you notice on the left part, you'll be able to filter by different categories. We have the current promos, which are the limited time promotions. These are the most recent ones. We also have the rate plan messaging, where you'll find every messaging regarding the rate plans. You have the add-ons, where you'll find different creatives to promote the Boost Mobile add-ons. You have the device messaging and promos, where you'll find more creative that are targeted directly for the devices. We have seasonal creative, which change every season. Right now, we have back to school and step up to vote. You also have international plans and promo, which are messaging targeted directly at Boost Mobile international plans for our international customers. And the Boost dealer support, where you will find every support material you can use at the store at any given time, such as you can see right now, we have the COVID-19 messaging. Also, if you have a specific event, you'll be able to find supporting material in this section. And then at last, we have the Boost radio and TV scripts. For today's example, I'm going to click on the Q3 free phone combo. Once the filter loads, it gives me the different options we have with the Q3 free promo artwork. The first one is the social media one, where it's an image you can use for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Then we can see a flyer that can also be used as a direct mail, both in English and Spanish. If you see the 13 cents on the bottom here, this has nothing to do with customization or using the site. It's simply referring to the cost if you choose to print through Boost Mobile Preferred Vendor, which is always an option if you choose not to and bring to a local Staples or do it on your own printing. And then we can see a static flyer. The static flyer is just a flyer that is not customizable. You can just print and share in your store. I'm going to go ahead and click on the regular flyer so we can go over on building and customizing your ad. And the first page is sort of a preview where it gives you a brief description. In this case, it's talking about how the direct mail works. And it gives you the promo expiration date. Expiration date is very important before you start building so that you know how long you have to use this material for before the promo expires. The next part is selecting the size. Most of the flyers are in a general size, which is 5.5 by 8.5, so that doesn't change much. Select between color and black and white. So we're gonna make sure we have selected the color option, and we're gonna go ahead and click on build to start the process. Once you click on build, the first step is selecting the stores and the coupon to display on your flyer. On every flyer, you can select more than one location. You can go up to 5 locations. You can also select to add a coupon next to the location. So you can add up to 2 locations with a coupon. The coupons can be either an accessory coupon, a service credit, or maybe a store credit provided by the location. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select one location with a coupon. And I just click continue. Once the next page loads, I'm just going to search for my location's address. Every location that's already enrolled in AdBuilder is going to show up here. So I'm going to search by address, which is the easiest way to find your specific location. And here we go. There's Hyperlink. You will see on the right side, it's going to show you your location. You just make sure that the address is correct. Otherwise, if you want to change it, you can click on the X and find the correct one. If you are doing multiple locations in one flyer, you go ahead and do another search for the next address, and they will pop up on the right side as well as you select them. Once we're ready with this, I can just click on continue. This next page is the customizing your ad page. The first thing we want to customize is the coupon. As you can see on the right side, you'll be able to see a preview of the flyer, and on the left side is the toolbar where we're going to be doing the customization. We're going to start with a coupon value. It can be either an accessory or more specifically a Bluetooth accessory, a car charger, a case, or if you prefer a service credit or a store credit. We're going to go ahead and pick an accessory. With this, I am able to offer my customers that come in with this offer any accessory I want from my store. So I'm not tied to a specific accessory. And then the coupon offer is the amount of how much you're going to be offering. I'm going to go ahead and select the $25 off. But as you can see in the drop down, you have different options for a discount, a buy one, get one, or even a free item you want to give out. So I'm going to go ahead and select $25 off, and I'm going to select the coupon qualifier next. There are different options you can select as a qualifier. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select with a new activation on a monthly plan, meaning every customer that comes and does a new activation on a monthly plan can get $25 off an accessory from our location. And then you just enter the expiration date for the coupon. It's important to make sure that you give it enough time while you share this promotion, and so that when the customer comes in, it's still valid. So I would recommend you give it at least a month. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter a date, which will be the end of October, which is a little bit more than a month from now. When you're done doing the coupon, you can simply click on preview your work and it'll update the image on the right with the information on the coupon so you make sure it's correct. The next part you can customize is the dealer information, which is your store name, address, and phone number. As it's already set, you can just simply make sure it's okay, like we are doing, and just go ahead and click on preview your work again. Everything is correct. If you do want to change anything, you can always customize it in one of these fields. If you want to see a bigger image of the flyer once you are done customizing, you can click on the top button that says View Proof. Once you click on this button, it'll open up a new tab with the proof of the flyer. You can click the plus sign over here on the bottom right to zoom in the flyer and make sure all the information is correct. As you can see, we have our coupon and our address on the left side. Zooming in is a great feature because you can also review the fine print of the promotion where you can see how the promotion works and what the rules are for Boost Mobile. It's always good to know every aspect of the promo you are offering to your customer. Once you are done reviewing the proof, you can simply close the tab and you're back to AdBuilder. Before finishing, we want to add a name to this ad that we're building so that we're able to identify the one we did. I'm just going to name it Free Phone Promo September, so that I make sure this is the free phone promo I created in September. And I'll click on Finish. Once this page loads, we're going to go to the Delivery Options page. In this last section on creating your ad, you'll be able to select what delivery option you prefer for your artwork. The first one you can see is the download to desktop, and this is the most common option we use because with this one, it'll download directly to your desktop the finished artwork in a PDF file. You can either print or share it or take it to a printing place to print as many copies as you want. The next option you'll be able to see is share file. With this option, you would basically get a link to your email inbox for you to download on your computer. You can also send it to a third person's email if you want to share it with an employee, for example. The one with the place order, the third option, gives you the option to place an order directly through the site for printing the flyer. They have different pricing for different quantities. Now, this order is going to be printed directly by Brand Muscle, which is the brand that Boost Mobile uses on this site. And the thing about it is you can place your order through them, but it might take a little bit longer for you to get them in your store versus you printing yourself if you have a high quality printer or taking it to print somewhere close to your store. The last option you have is request additional customization. This is an option that is here in case you are in need of a specific customization on the flyer's graphic. This is only used for particular times when you have a very special request. It would take additional time as it has to be reviewed by the marketing team. So it is only used basically when it is something very specific and very needed. Now remember, with Hyperlink's 50/50 local matching funds program, you are able to get 50% reimbursement on every marketing effort you do. And that includes the flyers, the banners, and mostly every asset you can use from AdBuilder. So we would always recommend to please reach out to us, either to Jose, to see if you are eligible to participate in the 50/50, and that way you're able to download, print, and we'll reimburse 50%, or you can either print with us. So just contact us in advance before doing that, and you'll be able to save some money. Once done, I'm going to select Download to Desktop. I can click on Continue. And once I click on Submit on this next page, it'll automatically download the completed flyer to my computer. As you can see, it will only take 1 minute, and right then I have access to the flyer. I can print it right away. I can share it right away. So it's super easy and fun. Let me open it up, and as you can see, here it comes. It's a PDF file with all the info and all the updates. So it's as easy as that. I'm going to close it up. All right, and that is as easy as it is to create an ad. Now I'm going to go to the next section on the Ad Builder side, which is social media. As you can see in the top toolbar, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is going to give you every asset that is available for you to use directly on social media. In the center part, you can see the featured items and graphics, which are mostly the new ones and the most used. As we saw in the build and add section on the left part, you are able to filter by the different categories, which are the current promos, rate plan messaging, device messaging, seasonal creative, and the boost dealer support. In this occasion, I'm going to select this bring your own phone graphic for us to review. Once you click on it, it gives you a description and the sizing for each different platform: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even Instagram and Facebook stories. As it knows here, once you download, the file will also come with a Word document giving you a copy of what you can post on the platform. So it's pretty much giving you the text to post next to the image. And you can also see the expiration date on the promo as you can with the ads. Now over here, you can select how you want the material, if you want to download it or if you want to share the file. As I explained before, sharing the file will send you a link to your email address where you can download from there. So I'm going to go ahead, select Asset Download, and click on Download Now for it to download automatically to my computer. And just like that, I already have everything I need. I open up the folder and you can see how you can get both the English and the Spanish version, and you get it in all the formats you might need it: Facebook, Instagram, Stories, or Twitter. If we go back, there's also the Word document that comes with the file. In this document, you'll be able to find the text that you can use with your copy. So bring your own phone to Boost Mobile and save more than Cricket or Metro. Unlimited talk and text starts at just 10 per month. Come into our store located at, and this is where you customize with your store's info. And it's as easy as that. You can just copy and paste that. You can add the hashtags you want to use if you want to use an emoji, and just post directly to your preferred social media platform. As easy as that. You want to search for more artworks, you go back to social media and you find whatever you want to use. The next thing in the AdBuilder toolbar is My Creative Archive. When you click on My Creative Archive, it will pretty much give you a library of all the jobs you have done and downloaded. As you can see, the last one was the social media one we just downloaded, and this was the flyer we created. So the cool thing about this library is that you can come back and you can edit and save more copies of something that you have previously created. And you can also keep track of what you have done, what you have already used and don't want to repeat, and just have a history of everything you've done with the site over here. Under the marketing resources, you can find a direct link to Boost Mobile Goods, which is the Boost Mobile site where you can get all the Boost Mobile branded items. And there's also the guidelines and ARC Ideas Retail Radio. ARC Ideas is the advertising agency that is in charge of radio and TV ads. So this will just give you more information regarding that. The last section we're going to review is the help section, where you can access the FAQs, which are the frequently asked questions site. And you can also email a question if you have a specific need you need answered, or if there's any help or assistance you need with the site, you can email a question directly to the support team. And with this, we end our tour on the AdBuilder site. If we go back to the homepage, as you saw through everything we just reviewed, it is very easy to find, very easy to customize, and it's at no charge and very helpful to promote your business. So please come ahead and visit anytime you want. And with this, I'm ending today's training.
Thank you, Jose. And thank you, everyone, for investing in yourself and your business by attending our weekly Hyper University trainings. We appreciate all that you do, and we're happy to be able to contribute to your success. Please don't forget to type your training requests in the chat during any of our live trainings, or feel free to email Jose at hyperlinkusa.com. Thank you again for joining, and please stay safe, everyone.